It really is important to have a lawyer take a look at it. A little bit later, where you first are going to look at some legal consideration. I don't know if you won't get into yet, but you're going to have to contract with the builder, and the builder is going to have a contract. He's going to have his standard form, and you're not going to read it, or if you read it, you might not exactly understand it. But it really is important to have a lawyer take a look at it. And, it's the contract's going to be $200, $300, $500,000. It's going to be the biggest purchase, you're going to make, and you're going to want to take a look at the contract, know what's in it. And really, it's not as much from the standpoint of I'm going to negotiate with the builder and break him down over this term or that term. But what I do when I look at them, and when I did my own, I looked at it and advised the homeowners of what kind of provisions are in there that they probably didn't know about and are surprised about. Time limits, and I'll make them a little summary, and like time limits that you got to be, aware of. You have to find out what certain costs are gonna, who's paying for what. It avoids surprises like that once you get down the road, had you known about them in advance, you would have provided for them, or you would have thought it through further. Change orders, or, a little change or something like that, you find out that they might give you a few free, but then they're going to charge you $200 for a change. So it's learning about those things and making as many decisions as you can ahead of time on the contract side. And like I said, it's your biggest investment that you're going to make and your biggest purchase. And for not a whole lot of money, just to have legal review take a look at it, just to let you know if there's any really important and kind of things you wouldn't expect to be in there, because you'll get surprises.